According to Strauss, in 2016, a survey was conducted by the National Association of Colleges, otherwise known as the NACE, that ranked computer science as the fourth most desirable degree. Students graduating with a computer science degree will not have to look far to find a job. My name is Sam Medicis, and I'm going to be informing you about the occupation of a Computer and Information Systems Manager. A Computer and Information Systems Manager is responsible for implementing software and hardware goals to meet the goals of their organization, according to the U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics. This report is going to cover the education, skills, duties, salary, employment projections, and impact market factors of a Computer and Information Systems Manager. A Computer and Information Systems Manager is required to get a bachelor's degree in computer science or information science according to the U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics in 2019. Some of the suggested courses include classes in computer programming, web development, mathematics, and business, according to the U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics, and Banner. Some companies require their Computer and Information Systems managers to acquire a Master's of Business Administration, an MBA degree, according to the U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, Employment and Training Administration, and the U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are three main skills that Computer and Information Systems managers need to be proficient with. First, they need to be able to communicate well, and they need to be able to explain problems/offer solutions to people without the same training. Second, they need to be able to critically think and solve problems. Their ability to critically think impacts their ability to solve technical problems, which is a big part of their job. Finally, they need to be good with time management to keep themselves and their employees on track to ensure a productive working environment. Computer and Information Systems managers have three main duties. The first of their main duties is to analyze their organization's computer needs and recommend upgrades. The second duty is to oversee and maintain computer-related technologies throughout their organization. This includes network security, internet operations, and software upgrades. Finally, Computer and Information Systems managers evaluate their employees based on their performance. As well as evaluating current employee performance, Computer and Information Systems managers are likely to be responsible for evaluating and hiring new employees. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics in 2019, Computer and Information Systems managers earned a median income of $142,530 in 2018. In 2018, the lowest 10% of Computer and Information Systems managers earned less than $85,380, while the highest 10% earned $208,000. Computer and Information Systems managers' positions are expected to grow by 12% between 2016 and 2026. If you see the figure on screen, this is 5% faster than the average for all occupations. There are three main market factors that impact future employment for Computer and Information Systems managers. The first one is expanding operations to digital platforms. The digital platform is taking the business world by storm, according to launching a successful digital platform. They continue by stating that the digital platform brings together consumers and manufacturers more easily to create a faster way to exchange goods. The second impact market factor is the need to strengthen cybersecurity. As technology continues to evolve, there will be an increased need for cybersecurity, according to Jay Spencer. The last impact market factor is the growing popularity of cloud computing, which has been very successful because almost anyone can access it at any time. In this report, we've reviewed the 6 major areas of the occupation Computer and Information Systems Managers. Based on the findings of our report, Computer and Information Systems Managers can expect a bright future as the occupation continues to grow and expand.